Hello students, welcome again to my video lesson. Our today's lesson topic will be measuring and recording wind speed and direction. Stay tuned. Measuring and recording wind speed and direction. First of all, let us see how to measure and record wind speed. In order to understand how to measure and record wind speed, we have to know what mean by wind. Wind is air in horizontal motion. The air which is in the horizontal motion is called wind. And this wind has speed and direction. The air in the horizontal motion has speed and direction. The wind blows because air pressure is higher in one place than in another place. So the presence of air pressure influences the direction of wind and the wind movement from one place to another place. The air moves from areas of higher pressure to areas of lower pressure. So areas of lower pressure tend to receive air towards the area. And this air movement is measured by an instrument known as anemometer. So anemometer is an instrument used for measuring wind speed. Most anemometers have four horizontal shafts arranged like the spokes of wheel. The end of each shaft is cup-shaped. The wind pushes the concave side of the cup more than the convex side, so the anemometer spins in the wind. The faster the anemometer is spinning, the stronger the wind. The anemometer should be held at arm's length above the head so that the cups can rotate without any interference. To make it free, we have to hold it above the head because to make it free of obstacle. A number of different units are used to indicate wind speed, including meter per second, kilometer per hour, and miles per hour, and so on. Okay, students, this is an anemometer which is used to measure wind speed, and it has four shafts. These are the shafts of anemometer, and at the end of these shafts, there are objects shaped like a cape or cape-shaped objects. These objects are cape-shaped objects fixed at the end of shafts, and these shafts have two sides. When the strong wind blows, the shaft is spinning faster and faster, and it indicates the speed of wind. Measuring and recording wind direction. Wind direction is reported by the direction it is blowing from according to the compass. For example, if wind blows from west toward east, it is called westerlies or westerly winds. And also, if wind blows from east to west, if wind blows from east to west, it is called easterly winds. If wind blows, for example, from northeast, from northeast towards southwest, It is called northeasterly winds. Northeasterly winds. Therefore, the wind direction is reported by the direction it is blowing from. So we can name wind direction from its sources. Wind direction is measured with wind vane. Wind vane is an instrument used to measure wind direction. One end of the vane has a small, heavy object, and the other end has flat with large area. So it has two ends, the small and heavy end, and flat and large area end. The wind pushes the flat object more than the small heavy objects, so the vane swings around to be parallel to the wind. Okay, students, look at this picture. This is wind vane. It is used to measure wind direction. And this is the vane, which has two ends. This end is a small and heavy end, and the opposite of this end is large area and flat surface. We can indicate by referring the vane and the spinning direction of the vane and record the wind direction. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribing my YouTube channel. Stay blessed.